Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're going to talk about our prep item this week. I was thinking a lot about prepping and things, and I'm always looking for ideas of things to prep that's unusual and something I haven't thought about. And this week I really thought of a really good one because here it's off grid right now. We don't have any solar, we don't have anything over here, so it's pretty hot. Right now the wind's blowing because we're expecting a tropical storm coming through, but usually it's hot. So Miss Denise sent Danny a fan. Now you don't have to get fancy with it, but Miss Denise sent Danny a pretty church lady fan, and so he's been using it to keep us reasonably, I guess, with a breeze.
With a breeze, there, and when it's just nothing happening but just heat.
Yeah. So then today, Miss Mary and Mr. Frank sent me a fan for the cabin.
Now this, my friends, this is an actual one
From Hong Kong.
from Hong Kong.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Okay, so when it's hot, this is the way our forefathers did it. Somebody was always waving their hand. They had to have that wrist motion going there, you know. So I looked on Amazon. You can get 48 10-inch fans for $14.95, I believe. I'm going to put a link in the description below. If you don't like those fans, they got all kinds of fancy ones. It doesn't matter. But as long as you got somebody that'll keep the breeze going, it's pretty nice. Wouldn't you say?
That it is.
It beats being hot.
It beats being hot. You'd be surprised what a little bit of air movement will do.
And it makes it feel really nice sitting on this porch. So guys, our prep item this week, buy some fans. And if you can find somebody giving them away, you find them at garage sales, grab them fans. Just saying. Talk to you guys later from Crazy Days. And thanks, Miss Mary and Mr. Frank, for our new fan.